Welcome to the advanced level mathematics here by unique Bhaudhi. Basic topic. We want to start with partial fraction. Is our first topic. By saying partial fractions, we are meaning we want to split the fraction into two separate or more fractions. For example, 2 over x plus 2 x plus 1. This is a single fraction and can be split into two fractions. So this kind of partial fractions, we consider the power here, meaning to say all these two expressions, this one and this one, they've got it. Power 1 as far as x is concerned. So by saying this, we say our formula is a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 1. This is our formula. Now let's consider this kind of fraction whereby here we've got the quadratic. So let's say it's 3 over x squared plus 2x minus 1. As you can see, this is now different. Here we've got x to the power 1 and here we've got x squared. So this is a quadratic equation. So this kind of fraction, the formula is just ax plus b over x squared plus 2 plus 3 plus c over x minus 1. This is our formula. So you are going to use these formulas to find the a and b. Now let's go to the final kind of fraction by which we can split into two different fractions. This kind, we say, let's say, so this is linear fraction, quadratic fraction, and repeated fraction. So an example of a repeated fraction, let's say it's 1 over x plus 2 squared x plus 3. In this case, we are going to say a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 2 squared. So this one is here to counteract this x plus 2 squared. Then finally, we are going to say plus c over x plus 3. So we've got these three kind of form of partial fraction. You need to apply these 1, 2, 3 formulas for you to be able to split these fractions into single fractions. Finally, before doing this, as far as we are doing all this, you have noticed that all our powers here, it was x to the power 1, x squared, and here is a repeated factor. Before you split your partial fractions, make sure that the power here at the denominator is always greater than the power at the numerator. In this case, an example, if we say x over x plus 2 x plus 1, maybe here it's x plus 1. This kind of fraction can be split easily into partial fractions. But however, you can have a situation whereby x squared here is x squared plus 1 over x plus 2 x minus 1. In this case, this is an improper fraction. It's improper fraction, and this one is a proper fraction. So for you to change this one into partial fraction, you first of all need to divide. By dividing, you are making it possible for you to partialize. Therefore, the way you can divide is by using the long way division. So we are going to go back to our O-level long, or I don't know, it's primary. Right. First of all, you need to express this from to remove the brackets. So it becomes a squared plus 1 over x squared minus x, this x squared minus x plus 2x minus 2. So it's going to be x squared plus 1 over x squared plus x minus 2. So as you see, this power is equal to this power. So it's can't for you to partialize before you divide. So you need to divide this one. For you to divide, you are going to say x squared plus x minus 2, and here is x squared plus 1. So x squared into x squared is 1. 1 multiplied by x squared, 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. Then you subtract x squared minus x squared, 0. X minus 1 going to x minus 1 minus 2 minus 0, it's minus 2. Then it's x minus 3. So it means this one into this one, you are going to get is equals to 1 remainder. This one is 1 remainder x minus 2 minus 3 over this fraction x squared plus x minus 2. So it's going to be 1 plus x minus 3 over, now you take these ones, over x plus 2 x minus 1. So you can now partialize this using your linear equation, which is equals to a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 1. So this is the end of the topic, partial fraction formulas. See you next time when we partialize each and every fraction individually for you to be able to capture all these formulas.